What's the meaning of blockhouse? Blockhouse. Blockhouse.
Blockhouse. Blockhouse. A blockhouse is a small, sturdy structure that was traditionally used for defensive purposes. They were typically made of wood or stone and were designed to resist attack from enemy forces. Blockhouses were often built at strategic points along trade routes, near military installations, or on the frontier as part of a defensive fortification system. They were commonly used during conflicts such as the American Revolution, the French and Indian War, and the Indian Wars of the 19th century.